Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your JBL Boombox 2 is not turning on properly or keeps disconnecting from your device, don't worry, this is a common issue and usually not a serious fault. Many times, it's just related to battery charge, Bluetooth glitches, or a simple reset that can fix everything in seconds. It might feel frustrating when your speaker suddenly stops working the way it should, but the good news is you can solve most of these problems yourself without any technical skills. So in the next few seconds, I'll show you the easiest way to fix both power and connection issues quickly. Try these. Step 1. Check if the speaker is fully charged and try a different charging cable. Step 2. Turn the speaker off and on again for a quick reset. Step 3. Forget the device from Bluetooth settings and reconnect it. Step 4. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons to reset the speaker. Step 5. Test playback to ensure stable connection and proper power response.